Hi everybody, Christina Hawkins with GlobalSpex, and I wanted to get you a little bit of information about what's going on with care plans. Okay, so first, I just want to remind everybody that if you have a care plan with us, you should have access to WordPress videos inside the dashboard. These videos are for you. You can access them anytime. They've got all kinds of how-tos and instructions on how to do all kinds of things. Add media, add a post, add pages. And so if you don't see it inside your dashboard at the top on the left, should be WordPress videos, just let us know. Email support@globalspex.com. Let us know and we'll make sure to either just check on it, see where they went, or activate it. So second thing I want to give your attention to is your policies on privacy, terms and conditions, and any disclaimers. Right now we're seeing a lot of laws and changes in pretty much every state now in how websites gather personal information as well as maintaining it, keeping it, where are they stored, and how are they used. So it's super important that we keep up with these laws. They're practically changing every month. Nevada, California, Texas, all these states are coming up with these very clear, they're coming up with very different privacy laws, and each of them have a little bit of take on it. So the problem is that these laws are there to protect citizens in different states, and if you're not careful, you can get sued. It can reach $2,500 to almost $7,500 per user, not per session, not per website, but for every user that comes to your website and you don't have a privacy policy where you explain what it is that you're doing with everybody's personal information, you can be fined. So what I recommend, we have a new tool called Termageddon, and if you are on an executive care plan, that will be included. We will create these 3 policies for you and we will add them to your website. There's no additional fee. All you need to do is email support@globalspex.com. Let me know that you're interested in it and we'll get you set up. Now, if you're on a tech care plan, we have to bill you $100 per year for these policies. Now, the thing about these policies, they get automatically updated. It's actually an embedded code that we're pulling in from a dashboard, and they keep updating it. And so we don't have to go to a lawyer every time a change is made. These are being done for us, and they're pulling in there's California, there's Texas, and Nevada has some pretty stringent laws now, and so they're just automatically being updated. What we have to do every now and then is kind of go check the status of them and make sure that we're complying. So things like if you have any customers in California, if you like I do, I have a couple California clients, so I have to make sure that I'm very clear in what I'm doing with the content that I get from customers, and so that's in my privacy policy. Nevada has their own. So other things might be if you have anything collecting to do with children, for sure has to be included in there. That's part of the terms of service. Disclaimers. So if you're a lawyer and you have some blogs, some videos, some content on your site, you might want to have a disclaimer that this should not be used as legal advice. Please contact your attorney. If you're doing healthcare, even if you are yourself a doctor, you don't want people to assume that this is what you should be doing for yourself. You are only providing advice, but it should not be construed as medical prescription by a doctor. Go see your doctor. So these disclaimers should be on your website. That's what Termageddon can do. So I just want to put out there, I'll probably have a page and I'll put a link to it in the description, and an ability, if you just like for us to just kind of set this up for you, we will do that for you. All right, so that is privacy policies. Do recommend, speaking of policies and stuff, we have updated our maintenance terms of service, so I recommend going there. Again, link will be in the description. And that is it. So just to give you a recap, WordPress videos are on your dashboard. If you don't see it, let us know. Privacy, terms of service, and disclaimer policies. If you are on executive plan, you get that for free. Just let us know. We'll kick it in. Yeah, that's about it for now. But I just want to give everybody a heads up what's happening with your care plans. I'll try and do these a little more often. But all right, thanks so much and have a great day.